Right, just received this from Amazon. It's my switch for my fuel burner heater. So you get a 12 volt switch, keyring remote, and you get another remote of this as well, and a set of instructions. It's quite easy to wire in. So pull this up, be positive there, battery negative there. Looks like the negative there are wired direct to the battery negative again, and then that one goes to the positive for the feed for the fuel burner heater, which I've already wired in. It goes onto pin 3 on the fuel burner heater, which is a green wire if I remember rightly. Let's get into it and get it wired up. Push on this button here for 5 seconds and it should flash, and you push the on button on the remote, which is the on button. Now it's paired. So now if I push the on button, red noise. And it's on. I will tie. That's it all wired up. I'll tidy everything up and then I'll show you the result. Alright, turn him on. Hear it firing up. Hear it firing. There you go. Remote control for your fuel burner heater. So now you don't have to start it up every morning on the cold mornings. You can just flip a button, warm your car up before you get in it, and turn it off. There we go.